Going down. Going down.
Oh, look at there.
Oh, look. Yeah, look.
Oh, wee, people.
Yeah. Oh, we're on top of the building. Yeah. Look, Laura. Look, look. Turn around. You like that? Yeah, it's coming down. Yeah. See, look now, look, look. That's that.
Welcome to San Diego, ladies and gentlemen. The local time is approximately 8:30. We landed just about 20 minutes early. There's been a 3-hour time change. The captain requests all passengers please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until he's parked the aircraft at the gate and turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. That'll be your indication it's safe to stand and collect your personal belongings. At this time, you may now use your cell phones and other small handheld electronic devices. However, personal computers may not be used.
Ate Lila.
If you are making a flight connection here or need assistance with baggage claim or ground transportation,